My dissertation was on medical research of Freud.
My dissertation is actually on evolving around medical tourism in Thailand.
My dissertation was on how to engage patients and publics well in expanding access to innovative medicines.
My dissertation was on consent issues, and my personal interest led in risk assessment in a consent, which is a bit topical in recent years.
I'm an academic surgeon, so I do research, I do lab research, I write papers. I don't think I've falsified or fabricated anything. I don't think I've done anything illegal. But it's something that happened, it could happen around me all the time. And it's very timely. People are very anxious about it. And I think there'll be some interesting development. That's why I looked into it.
So I trained originally as a vet, and I did research and then latterly worked in the pharmaceutical industry where I currently work. And my motivation for doing this was a conversation I had with a patient on one of my clinical trials about informed consent. And that led me to ask more questions about informed consent and about medical law in general.
I wanted to do a dissertation which would be relevant to my current job, and I can then use it to educate other people, and recently I did present on that to my department. And I just looked into how risk assessment can transpire to the consent process in healthcare, and I just looked in all the various aspects and possible legal implications of different methods we used before people go for surgery, mainly, and it was a really interesting topic, and I wish I had more word count to continue, but unfortunately I had to stop at 10,000. But it has implications, even doing the dissertation, far beyond just finishing the course. It's really useful in the job, and my colleagues are really thankful for even telling them about it.